wall, ring.
Welcome to my art and craft channel. Today we're making a beautiful clay art cakes. So whether you have seen my blindfold challenge or not, if you haven't, go and see it today. I am telling you a sweet story that will warm your heart. Let's get started. First, we'll gather our materials. We'll need colorful clay, some sculpting tools, and a bit of imagination. Our story begins with a young baker named Anya who loved making cakes for her village. Anya's cakes were not just delicious, they were works of art. One day, she decided to create the most beautiful cake for the village festival. She started with the base, carefully shaping it with love and care. As she added each layer, she thought about the people in her village. She wanted each slice to bring joy and happiness to everyone who tasted it. Just like Anya, we'll add layers to our clay cake, each one representing her dedication and passion. Anya's favorite part was decorating the cake. She crafted delicate flowers and leaves, making the cake look like a garden in full bloom. Let's add some beautiful decorations to our cake, too. Anya's cake was finally ready. It was a masterpiece, and when she brought it to the festival, everyone was amazed. The cake became the highlight of the event, and Anya's heart swelled with pride and happiness. Let's add the final touches to our clay cake, making it look as wonderful as Anya's. Remember, it's the love and effort we put into our creations that make them special. And there we have it, our beautiful clay cakes inspired by Anya's story. Just like her, we can create something amazing with a bit of creativity and a lot of heart. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clay art stories.